Hey guys, today we're making red beans and sausage. Okay, so you're going to need smoked sausage, diced bell pepper, and also diced onion, minced garlic, onion and garlic powder, seasoned salt, cayenne pepper and black pepper, and kidney beans. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start off by sorting our beans so we have them in a bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and pick out the little odd pieces that are in our beans, like this little piece right here. It's short, it's all irregular and stuff like that. You can go ahead and toss pieces like that out. All right, and then I'm going to show you one more piece just so you know, just in case you never made beans before. Okay, you just want to dig through with your hands, and there's another piece right there. You can go ahead and just toss it, and then you're going to get ready to go ahead and start the soaking process. We're doing a quick soak. We're using 2 cups, or it ended up being 4, but this is just 2 cups here. 4 cups of hot water. You want to soak them for an hour. Otherwise, you can also soak them overnight. Okay, so we're getting our oil in the pot, and we're going to go ahead and saute our bell pepper and our onion just until it's translucent. After you finish soaking your beans, you want to rinse the water off of them and then pour it and rinse, and then you're going to go ahead and add them to the pot, and we're going to add about 8 to 10 cups of water, and we're going to go ahead and get this going on a slow boil. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings to the pot as well. And then we're going to, like I said, put the lid on it, and then we're going to get it going into a slow boil. And you want to cook the beans for about 2 hours, stirring periodically. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add our meat. Okay, so we have everything in the pot here. You see it's got the little boil going. You don't need it quite as high. You can have it just about like here. All right, and then you want to go ahead and put your lid on your pot. You can leave like a little gap. It doesn't have to be sealed with your top on there. Okay, so like I said, 2 hours later, your beans should be getting tender. They're not going to be all the way done. You're going to go ahead and add your sausage to the pot. Now, you should have about 30 minutes left once you add your sausage, but sometimes your beans aren't tender enough then. Go ahead and cook them till they're tender enough. Some people like their beans thick, some people don't. So if they're too thick, add some more water. If they're just right, then you're good. Adjust your seasonings if needed. Okay, I like mine a little soupy, as you can see here. And keep in mind that when you turn your heat off, that they'll still cook a little bit. So determine how much water that you need before you turn them off. All right, so where I'm from, we do them with rice and cornbread, so just add it to the bowl. And y'all make sure pinto beans are not red beans, kidney beans are red beans. Keep that in mind. Okay, and grab a piece of cornbread. I'm gonna link our cornbread recipe up above, and y'all enjoy these beans. It's the perfect season for them, even though here in Texas in the South we eat them all year, y'all. As always, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely catch you next time.